Are you running late and falling short of time to get ready? Don't worry, I have a resolution. Hello my lovely friends, this is Rosetta here with another brand new video for a swirl braid which you can wear when you're running late. This is super easy, quick and stylish, so let's begin. First things first, I will grab my hair to one side. Take a section that is smaller and start twisting it. So you need to keep in mind that the section which you're grabbing should be from the inner side. And now take it around the larger section of your hair. Keep twisting it. Now add one more section to the twisted section of hair and keep twisting. Take it around. And we will do the exact same thing. Add one more section, twist it and taking it around. So you need to keep repeating this process. You can do it all the way down, but I like it halfway because it gives an effect of a braid as well as a ponytail. I'm repeating the same process. Trust me, within no time, your braid is ready. Grab a hair elastic and secure it. Try this out, my beauties. I'm sure you're gonna love it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Also, if you like the video, please take a moment to like, share and comment. I love this braid. Tell me how you liked it. Alright my beauties, this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Take care of yourselves, stay safe and bye-bye.